Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna learn uh, in-app purchase, integration of in-app purchase, how we can implement in-app purchase in our game. Also, we will do it with the help of remove ads. So basically, like when somebody buy in-app purchasing, so the ads will be removed from game actually. So yeah, let's come to the screen and see how we can implement it. So as you can see in my screen, you know I'm going to first of all import the plugin of in-app purchasing. For that, I will go to Windows Package Manager. Then in the Unity registry, I'll simply type in underscore. Then you'll see in-app purchasing, right? Just simply install it. This is the plugin which is provided by Unity itself. So just simply import it. It will take some time to get imported in the project. So once the plugin got imported, then what we are going to do, we are simply create a game object. Let's give it a name, IP manager. Okay. Then here what we are going to do, first of all, we'll create a button. Let's go to button. We'll put on the top right corner, and we'll simply change. We'll delete the text cause and we'll give the name remove ads button. Then simply drag and drop and set active set native size, and we'll just give 100 by 100. It's half 50 by 50, 70 by 70. Okay, now this is our remove ad button. We just simply do this. Now I have created a script for IEP, which I'll provide you in the link. So just drag and drop this script in our project. Okay, once the script got imported, um, then we have to drag and drop IEP manager here. Now in this, what we are going to do, like you will understand this script first of all. Double click IEP manager. So we need to pass, we'll remove this. So we need to pass the IDs over here, okay, which we create actually in the play console. Then here we'll basically created two function. Just remove these because only we want to remove that function. So by product is a from method which will like we are passing the add id. You can see here add id here. So we are passing add id in by product. Then by product, it's a and it will automatically check whether the product id is already available or not. If it is available, it is purchasable or not, everything. Then purchase process is remove everything. Just have one condition for removing ads, nothing else, right? So this will basically check if the product id got purchases successfully, then remove the ads. Then what I'm doing here, remove ad. Basically, I'm setting player pref where ad removed uh, is 1, and I'm saving this. Means if user purchases this ad remove thing, then just remove the ads. So what it do, we'll get this player pref value in every time whenever we are showing the ad. So first of all, here actually in the game controller, you just go and show ads. Here we'll check first if um this gets did so if this gives us 1, if this gives us 1 equals to 1, then just return means will not execute further, so the ads will not show. Same will check while we are loading. or showing the banner ad as well. So here also we just simply do this. If it is 1, then we will not show the banner ad. The same way in the home screen actually, like in banner controller view, we just go here and you hear where we are loading the ad. So if it is 1, we will not show the or load the ad and show the ad, right? Just simply go here and what we are going to do, we just drag and drop, like assign the listener. So just attach uh, the listener with this particular function, IP and byproduct. Okay, byproduct, and here automatically we are passing there. So we do not have to pass, but also we can pass here. So just pass the ID. Right now, if I click, then what we'll see? Let's see. Now ads are coming. If I click, we'll see some kind of stuff. Some kind of UI. Just buy it. Then once we buy it, it should be saved. Now again, if I play the game, see now ads are not coming, right? If I go here, ads are showing. Let's see why, where the issue is coming. So in game controller, we are seeing we are loading. Okay, so here also we have to put a check. So rather doing this, we just simply do this. Now this should not do anymore. Now if I go here, now ads are not showing. If I kill myself, ads are still not showing, right? So IAPS is working. uh so yeah, I think that's it. We have successfully implemented IP also. Okay, so I think you have learned in this course your basic of C sharp. You have learned you know how to make 2D game, hyper casual kind of game. Especially you can monetize the game by integrating integration of ads. Also you have learned in app purchase also. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope you like this course, and yeah.